रहा है DIY लास्ट मिनट गिफ्ट आइडियाज फॉर हिम और हर। तो ये आइडियाज मैंने रियल लाइफ में गिफ्ट करे हैं टू माय फ्रेंड्स हु आर वेरी क्लोज टू मी एंड आई एम स्टिल गिफ्टिंग इट। सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया जाए, राइट? So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Before that, if you are new, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's free and it will take you 1 second to press that subscribe button, but it will help me a lot to grow. So please guys. So yeah, let's get started.
So our first DIY is going to be 5 cents gifts. This is a unique way of gifting someone. You can gift it to anyone. I had taken 5 senses, that is smell, touch, sight, sound and taste. So first we'll make a greeting card for sight. I had used a paper pack which is used in scrapbooks. You can use any A4 size paper you have and then decorate the first page with quotes or stickers. And inside the greeting card you can write something to your loved ones. Then for the touch, I had taken a t-shirt and wrapped it with a chart paper. Then we'll add a piece of paper on which you have to write what that gift represents. For the sound, I had used a Spotify code cassette. This is very easy. You just have to print those cassette and cut it. Designs you'll get on Pinterest. Then wrap it with a chart paper and use a sound sticker. For the taste, I had used dark chocolate. Then do the same, wrap with chart paper and paste taste sticker. Then for the smell, I had used perfume, wrap it with chart paper and paste smell sticker. For the sight, we'll use the greeting card which we made earlier. Just wrap and paste sight sticker. And here's all the 5 gifts are ready and you can gift it to anyone. So now we'll move on to our next DIY idea. So this is a leather wood trunk. You will get it on any online platform. I bought it from an Instagram page for 300 rupees. If you don't want to buy it, then you can go ahead with any wooden or storage box. We'll decorate its cover with some quotes and stickers so that it will look attractive. Then we'll add vellum sheet. You can use any red color paper which you have. And then we'll add the gifts which we want, like scrapbook, chocolates, perfume or powder. And these are the DIYs which I made by myself. Tutorial of this is posted in shorts videos. I'll provide the links in description box. This is a great idea to gift to your partner or sister, brother or anyone. It contains more of memories. So we'll name it a box full of memories. So our next DIY is ring book. Take 5 photos and paste it to a black chart paper. Like this, add some quotes, punch some holes and put a ring on and close the ring. You can gift it to someone's birthday or Valentine's Day. And that's it. The gift is ready. Let's move on to our last DIY idea, that is a location card. Take a print of your locations, cut it in the heart shapes and add some silver mirror sheets and paste it to a card made of black chart paper and add some stickers to make it more attractive, and it's ready to give it to your partner.
That's it for the video guys. I hope you loved all the ideas. Personally मेरे सारे favorite है, लेकिन let me know in the comment box which was your favorite, and if you guys plan to recreate it or gift it to someone, then tag me on Instagram account so that I can reshare it. See you guys with another fun video, and plus there is a giveaway going on guys, so please make sure you participate in that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.